So it's all about fathers in the month of June. We taking that time to honor fathers. And this week, as I said, on this Corpus Christi morning, it's on the verge of the weekend that we celebrate fathers here in TNT and around the world. I decided to bring a man that I suppose all I've heard when it comes to soca in my ears for such a long time is this man. But he introduced to us a few women that I want to just make note of before I introduce him officially. You remember Barbara? Rebecca? And my favorite, Ethel. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm so happy and so pleased to have with me this morning the man they call Austin Lyons, aka Blue Boy, as I once knew him, and now Super Blue, with his daughter TERRI Lyons. Good morning, folks.
Hi, good morning.
My brother,
Full respect.
thank you very much for being here this morning.
I'm honored to be here.
Good to be here. TERRI was here already,
Yeah, I hope
and
so.
she
Yes.
cooked up a storm in the kitchen with me.
Cook a salad.
Yeah, TERRI, I want to start with you only because, as I said, we are honoring fathers, and I want you to go back and tell us about the relationship that would have started back as a little girl coming up, because the reality now is that Super Blue has two daughters
Yeah.
in soca. So take us back in terms of those early days and the relationship.
Oh, well,
yeah.
those early days was hardly seeing daddy.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Daddy used to live in Miami those times, you know. Most back in the days, entertainers used to actually live abroad
Right.
most of the time and come back to Trinidad when it comes close to Carnival. They used to do most of their recordings, you know. Tour life happens outside. So.
Because they weren't, I suppose, producers as they are locally here
Yeah,
now. So they used
locally,
to go abroad.
so they used to go abroad.
Right,
I get it. So
right.
most of the time he's out there.
Yeah.
So mostly we live on phone calls.
Yeah. No, that was the reality.
Phone calls.
That was the
that's the
reality.
reality.
Yeah,
phone calls.
yeah.
And we're not talking about internet phone calls. We're
Yeah.
talking about walk up by the road and put in some quarters with your bag of
yeah,
quarters.
Yeah.
Jingling your pants heavy because you don't want to cut it. You don't want the
Yeah.
phone call to cut off. So you're walking with about $10 a quarters in your pocket to go by the corner
Pay phone.
to pay, to call him on a
Yeah,
payphone.
yeah.
So yes, as a young girl going to school, attending Nelson Street Girls RC, at that stage, I didn't understand it much. Yes, I know what my father was doing, and I know how important it is for him and his culture. But as a child, you're not going in all that depth, you know, of understanding how great and how it could benefit me in the long run. So I used to be like, I don't see my father. You understand?
Yeah.
Like, when he coming back home, I don't see him. Where's dad? Where's dad?
This was months at a time.
And this, sometime a year.
Are you serious?
You understand
Yeah.
me? So so that's what I'm saying. As a child, you don't really understand it, but as I got older and I realized that I'm in the business too, and there are times that I will have to leave my son. You understand? To do stuff, to get stuff done.
Yeah.
And you know, sometimes when you leave, you're not leaving just for a show. Sometimes you just leave to record or get things put in place in order to get those shoes, get shoes coming in. So it's hard work and it's sacrifice. That's why I say to be in this business is a sacrifice because you have to make your own monthly income.
Yeah. Super, how difficult was it for you?
Thank God.
Thank God.
Thank God I on this show. So, come to understand it.
Yeah.
But one time, see, God bless, time will tell don't know me road.
Yeah.
Because in them times, earth is my home. The contents of it is my furniture. I sleeping and going anyway for soca. And I want the best at all. And the magnet with soca Baptist, the magnet was pulling, and I had to phone call. And it wasn't soca like now, but it had opportunities. And I had to cut grass, now, and start something, start a fire, different possibilities. No people benefiting from it.
Yes.
Shows and things I start, you can't pay the band, you can't pay me. I said, pay the band. I said, soca to start here. Wow. Then I go to certain places of country and my passport mark cultural ambassador. So they're watching me. I try somewhere I'm that's where I say, ambassador.
Mr.
I say,
Ambassador.
cultural ambassador.
Yes.
The passport ambassador, the jacket and tie, a briefcase. What music? I said, music, soca. Soca?
Yeah.
Oh, so, what type of music is it? I say, Sparrow. It's calypso. So Sparrow, and 1, 2, 3 times before I go different immigrations in the part of the world.
Yeah.
And Sparrow, they want to call to say it's calypso. And I'm thankful for that. That house work, Sparrow was working hard.
How proud are you, Super, that you have 2 daughters that more or less followed your footsteps?
Yeah, well, I'm so proud. Words and dictionary, thesaurus,
Yeah.
you have to dictionary, I use it. Words can't describe it. And in time to come, I hope God keep my life just long enough to show the world how proud I is. And how, because and I have 2 little boys. 10 to one sing.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
started to sing outside there, and next one have a nice boat walk.
Austin and Raymond.
Yeah.
Could live
And
for life until the rest of the. Because you see 2 sisters singing, he want to sing too.
they want to sing too. Yeah.
And like in the genes. Soca together.
Yeah.
So it ended up with a trials and I cooking, almost humming to them. You know, try to sing, man. Tell me, you go and learn to sing more and to hold your
Train.
voice. If you ain't telling them, do, and if you have good critique. And Terry on the train, and Terry will pop him and say, pushing him up, hey, but you can't.
So it's the whole family now.
Yeah.
Almost.
Listen, no, and he opened, and he come to me, come on, solo baby coming. Some other record, but I don't even know. Because cigar. And I see him, tears coming and I see fighting. But you have a nice book.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
did
28 dollars.
This is his
That's our last one. That's our last son. That's his last son.
last son.
That's Raymond.
28
Right.
days on and 28 off. Nice money. I said,
Yes, because he work offshore.
Right.
You know the
Right.
kind
Right.
of problems
So
in
once
this
he comes
business.
offshore, he just want to sing.
You just want to sing.
He could handle disappointment. Life is surprising and
Yeah,
disappointment
yeah.
and musically in Trinidad.
Yes.
And the competition with the start. You know, he come here, I hear 2, 3 songs now. He come here sometime, and the boy hooked to
You would
a
have your
voice
song.
called, I said, oh, where get that? And he sings, I said, Daddy, I know I call it. I said, boy, we can't discuss that. Because no. I saw it hooked something.
Yes,
Two,
yeah.
and 2. I said, hey,
And you would have an ear for it. You would when you hear it, you would
I
know.
ain't go fool him, and so I fool him.
Yeah.
I tell him, and she had, I didn't tell her to show the excitement.
Yeah.
But as I knew to kind of so Daddy, you ready? I said, please.
Yeah.
I can't swim in it because.
But you're proud of
No,
them.
well,
You're proud of
then
them.
she tastes blood till she has so often. She wanted that. After I tell she and Fiona, I'm an extrovert.
Yeah.
I could be on the first fish, but always go to it. All has a lot of fishing. Try to never and look for it to do it. Huh? Then it will be over here. So, information. Look for it how good because the Bible says Bible is B-I-B-L-E. It's basic information before leaving Earth. I had to pass it on. And life is like a relay. You have to pass on things. And if we have problems in schools, whatever, it's because sometimes the reading books change and you do see eye to eye. I don't know if you're wrong. Why we will have so much problems and why everybody fights is because everybody is really right. That's why I was.
Yeah.
So with good children now, I don't want to get in a strong children, but she knows, nobody knows. So, but if you recognize a diamond or gold, don't refuse it.
Yeah.
And that she did. She know how to do it. Sure. So come on.
We jumping in the kitchen next. Terry go in and cook something with you. Right?
This is cook.
He's the cook?
Yeah.
We had a cook for him, you know.
I will cook
Yeah.
with him. I
You'll
will
cook
eat
with him?
with him.
You'll eat with him. Yeah. We coming back. Austin Lyons, SUPERBLUE with us. We're honoring fathers for the month of June, and we had to have the man Austin Lyons, one of the kings of soca here in Trinidad and Tobago, 9-time road march and 7-time soca monarch. I
All
got
I
that
do
right?
is fish. I eat fish.
Fish?
And
We have fish for you. We have fish for you.
Yeah,
Coming
eat
back,
fish.
TERRI Lyons and Austin Lyons. The Blues are here with us this
Yeah,
morning. Come on
literally.
back, folks. This is Trini Cooks Thursday, and we're celebrating fathers, and the man Austin Lyons with us this
All my
morning.
children had to cook for me for fathers.
We jump into the kitchen right after this. Stay with us.
Guys.